Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube account. This is Lucky Slay. Today I'm trying with you how to do a wig. We're gonna do a wig. We're not like doing too much on it. We're just gonna do some oiling and we install it. We're not even doing glue installation. And this is my pixie wig. You see how shiny it is? But to make it more cute and amazing, you're gonna come in with some oil, and I'm using these to make it look so amazing. And then I'm gonna brush it out. So you brush it like that. When you brush everything out, you oil it nicely. So you make sure it's well moisturized and it's looking amazing. This is the easiest wig you can try on, especially those people with small heads like me. This is something you need to try on. So this is how it's looking. And the next step we need to do, guys, we need to just wear it. It normally stretches when you wear, so it's gonna stretch to your head size. So I'm just combing it. It's gonna stretch to your head size, and then so let's wear it. Let's put it on. So at this particular point, I know I'm looking like a grandma. So you need to make sure it fits your head nicely and it's comfortable. So you stretch it out to your head until you feel like it's comfortable. And then when you start styling it, it's gonna look amazing. So you need to comb everything. I'm gonna use this because it's a small size brush. So we brush it out. Okay. We brush everything out like that to make sure it's looking amazing. So if you want your hair to look nice and amazing, guys, you need to make sure it has oil on it so that when you comb it, it's gonna look amazing and cute on you. Okay. And then you see this one, I want it to lay like nicely. So this part, we're just gonna comb it, go in this side, lightly on top, and then at the side here, just gonna lay it. Okay, you do it like that. You lay everything out, and then at the front here, you need to style it. You don't want to wear it and look like a grandma. This is a baby girl wig, so you need it to look amazing on you. So make sure it's well laid and it's looking cute. Okay, so that's how you do it. This part, make sure it's well moisturized. When it has oil on it, it's gonna look cute. So this part, you just style it how you want it to look. Okay, so we are not styling like a grandma. We want this a baby girl wig. So you just make sure everything is done nicely. So at the back, make sure it's well laid. So and there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the live. So I'm just from doing the TikTok live, and I decided, why not? I need to share this with my YouTube babes. Yeah, you need to try this, guys. You need to try this and see how you're gonna look with such pixie wigs. I've always admired trying wigs, and I feel like a pixie wig on me, guys. A pixie wig on me. It's a nice one. So the next step we're gonna do is accessorize my ears. Let's see how we're gonna look with some earrings. We're gonna do short earrings because the long ones, they're not gonna do good. So like this one, let's see. This one is not gonna do good with this hairstyle. Okay. No, not. So what we do now, we're gonna use the small ones. Imagine it's easy. When you are there, you have a bad day here. Yeah? It's a bad day here. So you need to try this. It's simple to wear. Oh, I have oil on my hands, so I think that's why I'm struggling to put it on. Like that. And then we put the other one here. So this is a freestyle wig, guys. Very freestyle. When you choose to wear this, then you're gonna have a very nice day. Very easy day, guys. So let's take that back and then and there you go. There is the baby girl, guys. How do you see the wig? Let me see whether you can be able to see the back. So this is how I'm looking, and it looks amazing. I feel it's looking amazing. So you need to try such looks on you guys. So make sure you try such and tell me how you see it and how you felt. How it felt and how it's giving you. So just make sure you try these and tell me in the comment section how you feel about it. Yeah. Just comment down below and tell me, what do you think? Is it like nice? Is it giving you a nice look? Or what do you think? So guys, I hope to see you during my next live. Bye.